Brampton is really buzzing with this IFA और तैयारियां पूरी जोरों शोरों से जैसे अपने दिन आपको कैसा लगा?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. There's lots of excitement. We had a lot of members of parliament up there. The Council General of India gave a lovely speech. तो ऊपर से dance performances बहुत अच्छी थी. What did you think of those?
आई थिंक द डांस परफॉर्मेंसेज वर अमेजिंग और मुझे लग रहा है कि ब्रैम्पटन में जिस तरह हमारे बहुत सारे दर्शक भी इस बात को मानेंगे कि टोरंटो को इंतजार है आईफा अवार्ड्स का, लेकिन ब्रैम्पटन में भी कम धमाके नहीं होने वाले. और जैसा प्रोग्राम में बता ही रहे थे कि जो टोरंटो डाउनटाउन में तो बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होंगे, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ मार्कहम में, स्कारबरो में, मिसिसागा में और यहाँ ब्रैम्पटन जहाँ हम इस समय खड़े हैं, साउथ एशियन 360 डिग्री की टीम खड़ी है, यहाँ पर भी बहुत सारे जो है ज़बरदस्त प्रोग्राम्स होने वाले हैं. इसमें वो कह रहे हैं कि डाउनटाउन के एरिया के आसपास ही सारे प्रोग्राम्स होंगे. इस समय हम यहाँ रोज थिएटर में हैं, यहाँ कह रहे हैं काफ़ी प्रोग्राम्स होने वाले हैं. प्लस गेज पार्क है, वहाँ काफ़ी सारे प्रोग्राम्स होने वाले हैं. सो आई होप कि यहाँ पर भी वो जो बॉलीवुड का जो माहौल है वो मई और जून में देखने को मिलेगा.
आपको पता है मैं तो बहुत बड़ी बॉलीवुड की फैन हूँ, तो इतनी लंबी उन्होंने लिस्ट दिखाई थी. वहाँ पर तो परेड्स, फ्लोट्स एंड अपेरेंटली दे गोना हैव फ्लोट्स एंड एक दो बॉलीवुड के स्टार सीक्रेट परफॉर्मेंसेस या अपीयरेंसेस भी होंगी. सो आई एम वेटिंग टू सी हु दोस सीक्रेट स्टार्स आर गोना बी जो फ्लोट्स पर आके सबको सबके दिल बहलाएंगे.
बिल्कुल. मैं हुमा जी से सवाल पूछना चाहूँगा इस मौके पर कि हुमा जी, अगर एक फिल्म स्टार का आपको इंतजार है और आप चाहती हैं कि वो ब्रैम्पटन में ज़रूर आ जाए, कौन है वो?
अब जुबान से अर्जुन रामपाल ही निकल रहा है.
क्या बात है, अर्जुन रामपाल. कह रहे इनको इंतजार है अर्जुन रामपाल का. मैं कहता हूँ दीपिका आ जाए तो ठीक है.
आप और दीपिका का जो फिल्मी जो आपका अफेयर है वो खत्म नहीं होएगा कभी.
देखिए जी, दीपिका है ही ऐसी, आपको पता है, और हमारे जो दर्शक हैं वो भी मानेंगे कि जो भी उनको देखता है बस देखता ही रह जाता. आधी इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम भी उन्होंने बेहोश कर ही दी है. और मुझे लग रहा है कि अब यहाँ ब्रैम्पटन में आके भी जो यहाँ के क्रिकेटर हैं, अभी नई नई क्रिकेट सीख रहे हैं बेचारे, वो भी यहाँ बेहोश हो जाएंगे.
आप ना बेहोश हो जाए बस.
नहीं, मैं तो अपने होश ज़रूर कायम रखूँगा. और हुमा जी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आई होप हमारे जो दर्शक हैं उनको भी ये ज़रूर सेगमेंट पसंद आया होगा.
So thank you very much everybody and stay tuned for more updates on IFA from South Asian 360 Degrees. We hope you enjoyed this segment of the show. Welcome back everybody. Mera naam hai Huma Khan and I'm standing here with Steve and Anu, who are two of the board directors for the IFA committee in Brampton. How are you guys doing today? And you had a lovely event happening here. Very, very impressive. Would you like to say a few words about that?
Well, we are very excited about being hosting the Brampton Buzz event for IFA Toronto. We're looking forward to an amazing weekend of activity. Actually, we've planned 1 month of activity in Brampton, starting in early June, with film screenings. We're going to have the Brampton IFA dancers. We are going to have a parade. We're going to have a marketplace. It's going to be fabulous.
Excellent. And I saw that there are some celebrities that might be showing up on your parades. Are you going to reveal the secret, or is it going to be kept a secret for all of us?
Well, you see, these type of things have to be kept under wraps at just the right time. And when just the right time, we're going to let everybody know.
Excellent, excellent. Anu, how are you doing? And very impressive display you did in there. A few words from you, please.
We are very, very excited because there's lots that's going to be happening in Brampton. One of the things that is going to be really amazing is that Brampton IFA is going to have its own, very own dance team, which is going to be coming on the entertainment stages. As I had mentioned earlier, that we've got 3 entertainment stages, which is not happening anywhere else. And we've got a huge corridor of activities in downtown core Brampton. So we're totally very, very excited, and we really look forward to an amazing time in Brampton. So join us.
Excellent. That is a proud moment for everyone who is part of Brampton, and very, very exciting news. Now, Steve, I heard you in there speaking about Indian cinema, and you haven't caught up on a lot of movies. So do you plan on doing some homework and watching a few before the actual IFA events unfold?
Well, as it turns out, I've had a couple of the dancers want to teach me how to do it, and then I've had a couple of other people dare me. So I think, I don't know, by the end of this, I think I'm going to have to try it.
After IFA's over, I'm going to try to hunt you down, and we'll see what progress you've made. So Steve and Anu, as two major players in the Brampton affairs regarding IFA, would you like to give an invite out to our viewers?
Hello Brampton, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab, and look forward to seeing you in Brampton. June is going to be a really heavy month, full of celebrations. आप लोग सब please आइए और हम लोगों के साथ खुशियाँ मनाइए.
Thank you. How about you, Steve?
Well, I just have to say that Brampton will be the place to be. IFA Buzz Brampton, you must be there.
Excellent, excellent. So listen up, viewers. We want to see you all there. Hi there, everybody. I'm standing here now with Farishta, one of the beautiful attendees of the event today. How are you feeling? Did you enjoy the ceremonies in there?
I loved it. It was amazing. We had great dancing and great entertainment. I can't wait for the IFA Awards. It should be really exciting.
Yeah, it sounds very, very exciting. I'm also looking forward to it very much. So what are you looking forward to the most? They had a whole list of things happening there. So what are you looking forward to absolutely the most?
I'm looking forward to meeting the stars and seeing them and seeing some good performances. And yeah, it should be really great. Yeah.
And how did you like the dance performances that took place inside today?
Yeah, it was amazing. They're very talented, and yeah, it was really entertaining for sure.
The dhol players got me. They were phenomenal. Very, very good dhol players, and we had a party in there.
Yeah, they were very in sync, and I was very impressed. Yeah, they were really good. Yeah.
Thank you, Farishta, very much. It was a pleasure to have you, and we'll see you again soon. Hi there, everybody. I'm standing here now with Harshji. Harshji, how are you doing today?
Very good, thank you.
Did you enjoy the events inside?
Yes, very nice, very impressive. The way the evening unfolded, much better than what I had expected.
I also agree. It was very, very nice setup, and they did a really great job with the speeches, the dances, performances were great. Did you enjoy the entertainment?
Yes, very nice. I think is a good trailer of what to come and what to expect, and I guess the choice of the entertainment was very nice as well.
Okay, so we're all excited about IFA. Is there a couple of words you want to say to the viewers? What advice would you give to them?
Well, I said look forward to bumper week, I guess. A lot of, as you say in India, a lot of patakas and very good events. And I guess we're going to see some world-renowned because the Bollywood actors are known all over. They've been working in Hollywood as well. So get ready for some exciting entertainment and week and a lot of good food and fun as well.
Excellent, excellent. So the month of June is going to be packed. You guys heard it here. And we both want to see you there. And I will catch up with you after IFA too to get more buzz from you.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Harshji. Hi everyone. I'm standing here now with Rajesh ji. Rajesh ji, कैसे हैं आप आज?
मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ and I'm enjoying very much and the great fun here. Yeah, and looking forward to see the IFA Awards.
Yes, I think everybody's looking forward to that. It's going to be lots of masti, lots of shor sharaba and big Bollywood stars coming. Who are you waiting to see? Who do you hope comes to the award?
Maybe I like Salman too much, so maybe he wins for the Bang.
Yeah, no, that's a good call actually. Salman Khan is definitely coming from all the list of actors that we're hearing about. So, आपको अंदर की events कैसी लगी? Did you enjoy the performances?
Yeah, great performance and the children, they work very hard and I hope so somebody also wins, which IBC they have put the contest, so maybe somebody make their dream true to dance over there with the Bollywood stars.
मैं अभी आपसे पूछने लगी थी अभी जो CIBC का contest हो रहा है उसमें आप अपनी entry दे रहे हैं?
Yeah, I am trying, but I am not a good dancer, but I am want to become a good actor. I just that's why I just try to be.
चले, that will be a good opportunity. आप अपनी एक छोटी सी dance tape बना ले and we'll submit it for you.
Yeah, definitely I will try to do my best.
Salman Khan, watch out. We have Rajesh ji coming to perform with you on stage.
Yo.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi there, everybody. I'd like to personally thank you for staying with us at the Brampton ceremonies for the upcoming IFA Awards. I really hope you enjoyed this segment. We brought you lots of news here, and there are lots of events to come in June, so stay tuned. South Asian 360 Degrees will be keeping you updated with all the coming events.